Hey guys, what's up? Cole here. So today we are going to be cutting up some plastic bottles and using them as propagation stations. So I got a jug here and I just got a regular water bottle here. So first things first, you want a box cutter because that'll make everything so much easier. And you want to be careful, don't cut yourself, okay? Here we go. So the idea of this is to have water in this and your plant in this, like that. And then your plant will have the water, the roots, and this is your new propagation station. It's literally that simple, that easy. Love it. So next we're going to be using the jug. And with this one, it's literally the same idea. It's that simple, that easy. So with the propagation station that we just made, we are going to actually put in a plant in it already. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab some water, fill it up a little bit. So we're going to start off with this one. I'm going to cut it. Let me grab some scissors. I'm going to cut it right here between these two nodes. If you guys can see, these two nodes right here, you're going to cut right in between that. We're going to be using this whole entire root. I want these nodes to root. So then all you do, you put the root through, you stick it in your water, and then finish it off with some more water. I like it. Cool. Propagation station. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below what you want to see this summer. Peace.